This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
Then if in Excel you have a function, okay, which is this function is called frequency. Okay. So if I write equal to frequency and click here, so you have to understand what is this frequency function. Okay, this frequency function, okay, it calculates how often value occur within a range of values and return a vertical array. Please note that this is very important for us. Okay. What is there? What they are saying? What is this vertical array? Okay. What is this vertical array? This vertical array means the frequency values will come like this. Okay, in a array format, vertical array format. That means this frequency is a array function. Okay, so in Excel we have to understand what is array function. What is array function? Okay, array function, okay, will return array. Okay, so array function you cannot write like normal. Like so, whenever we are writing a formula, once we have written the formula, we press enter. Right? So this enter is for normal formula. Okay. If you have an array formula, then you have to press, okay, Control Shift Enter. You have to press. So we'll see this. Okay. So let's say we have this bin we have, and I am selecting this area, and I am saying frequency. And this is my data array. Excuse me. And my bins array is this. Okay. I have selected. So see this how I have done. I selected this entire values, entire cells. Okay. Then I wrote equal to frequency. Okay. So even though it looks like the first cell, the formula is coming, and we selected this. Then we went to the bins array, we selected the bins array. Okay. If I press enter only, see I have pressed enter only, what will happen? It will only take into the first cell, okay, the formula. Even though I have selected this, and I let's say we drag it. Okay, there is an issue, we have to first fix this. Okay, we fix this, okay, and then we drag it. See, the value will come same. Okay, value will come same. Even though this is for 12, ideally I should get, it is giving me the same 23. Okay, because these are not array function. You have not handled like an array function. So to handle like array function, you should select this area, you should write the formula, and then you press Control Shift Enter. Please mind Control Shift Enter, these three buttons you press, and you see that the values have come differently. And one more thing you will notice, once the array formula, the formula will have these braces. Okay, so the formula will have these braces at the start and at the end. So the moment you see these braces, it means that it is a array formula. Okay, so frequency functions will count this. Okay, so if I write 5, 10, and 15, so it's dynamic. So it is dynamically, it will be capturing. Right? Okay, so what if it is like 3, or let's say this is 8, 16, and 24. Yeah. So see, there is no value between 16 and 24, so it will be counted as 0. Right? So this is how the array formula will look like. Right?
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.